go. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking like you get a new phone. Like you haul, and I know.
Good morning, y'all. So I am headed to the gym. It is freezing as hell, okay? It is 36 degrees outside. Is what my car is reading, and it is freezing, okay? So I am sitting in my car trying to let it warm up. But I am on my way to the gym, and it's time to get back fit, y'all. It's December, okay? We are past Thanksgiving. There's no more plates, no more leftovers. Like, let's get it together. Let's get back in the gym. Yes. So I gotta come get my boost. Let's see. This is my crack, okay? This is liquid crack. Let's see if they got my favorite kind. I like sparkling green tea right here. Favorite. This is my favorite. This is the kind to get. If you don't like fizz, you don't like all that stuff, get this one. I'm telling you. Okay, y'all, so I'm at the gym. Gonna get this workout on in. This is where I wear to the gym. I don't want nobody talking to me. I'm serious. So we are tackling the Stairmaster today. 30 minutes, let's do it. Okay, y'all, so the workout was good. Now I am at UPS. Gonna return this ugly ass sweater or hoodie or whatever you want to call it. It's going back. Okay, y'all, so now I'm at the UPS store. Now I am about to get my nails done because they desperately need it. I just pulled my ones off that I did for the Gunna concert. Pulled them hoes right on them now, so they look bad right now, yes. But oh well. I finally got in contact with my nail man, so I am excited. So it's time to get these holiday nails. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. And then I'm gonna show y'all my salon. Y'all, I'm gatekeeping my man though because, yeah. He already be booked enough, sorry. Okay, y'all, so this is where I get my nails done at. So cute. Yeah, I never do square, so I'm trying square today. I'm excited. Don't they look so good? I'm so excited. Look at my nails. They came out so good. Yes. Okay, y'all, so this is what the first eye looks like. I'm gonna show y'all how to do the other one. It keeps sticking, but it's because it ain't dry yet. I just did it. But I'm gonna show y'all how. I'm gonna do the same to the other eye. Okay, y'all, so these are the lashes I used. I got these both from Amazon. I'm gonna link them down below. Okay, y'all, so I'm starting with length 20. And you see, if you can see, I'm just placing it right where your natural lash starts. Like that. And push. And then I'm just gonna put another 20 here and another 20 here. All right, y'all, so I got the 20s on. This is the first layer, by the way, too. I do 2 layers, sorry. Okay, so now I have the 20s on. Now I'm gonna go in with an 18 here and an 18 here. Okay, y'all, so I put on the 18 and the 18 and I forgot to turn on the freaking camera. So I put on 116 here. I'm going to put on a 116 here. And then I'm going to put a 14 and then we're going to be done with the first layer. And for the actual lashes, I'm using this pack. I only use this pack for the spikes. I don't really like these lashes, but the spikes in here are really good. And they also come with bottom lashes, but I don't really do bottom lashes. But this is the pack that I'm using for the actual lash. Okay, so the first layer is done. Now I'm going to do the spikes. So I'm going to be putting 2 21 length spikes. I'm going to put one probably right here in the middle, one right here. And then I'm going to put a 16 spike right here. Spikes are on. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the second layer and then we'll be done with the lashes. Very tea. So these are how the lashes turned out. I think they are very tea. This is how they look with my eyes closed. Super easy. And I didn't tell y'all that I'm using hair glue. I use hair glue for my lashes. Like, this is just my go-to. It works for me. You get what I'm saying? You can always use eyelash glue, bonding glue, whatever. I use hair glue. It works for me. you know what I'm saying? It can't irritate your eyes over time if you don't put them on properly, but this is what lasts for me and they don't irritate my eyes. Okay, and then for the hair, I'm going to be using, so this hair is from an old unit that I just cut off because the hair was still super nice on it and I wanted to reuse, so I cut the wefts off of that wig. And then I ordered 3 bundles from Amazon. I got the links 26, 24, and 22, and I think the price in total was $69. I'm gonna link the link for the bundles down below and this wig too, because this wig was super nice. The lace just didn't last, but you can always repurpose your wigs, ladies. Do not throw them away. If the hair is still good on the wig, cut it off the weft. So these are what the wefts on the bundles are looking like. They feel pretty thick. These are the bundles. They seem pretty thick. I'm glad I cut my other wig up though, just because I do want some extra fullness. But these bundles have some thick wefts, so we'll see. Okay, yeah, so these are the products I'm going to be using to watercolor the hair. So I have some Adore Black Velvet to color the bundles black. I got some 30 Developer in this pack of bleach right here, this BW2 bleach. This is to lift the knots. And then, of course, the bonding glue to glue in the tracks. Okay, so you want to go ahead and open the color, and then we're just going to be pouring that full entire bottle in there. So for this first go around, I'm going to be just putting a whole bottle and a half in this bottle. And you want to make sure you're scraping the bottom of the container just so you can get all of those black dots or dots of dye out, just so you won't have no skipping on your bundles. Even though we're just dyeing them black and they're going from brown to black, you wouldn't be able to see that kind of stuff. But if you're watercoloring blonde hair and you're doing a dark color or any color, you will be able to see the spots of dye if you do not mix the watercolor all the way. The bundles out the pack, we are going to literally just drench them in there. I usually keep on, if they're new bundles, I keep this on just because of the fact of I don't want to mix up the lengths, so especially if they're all different lengths, so I just leave that on there. You won't really see this part of the hair anyway, so you just want to make sure that those are, oh Jesus, saturated in there. Okay, y'all, so this is what the cap should be looking like. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the closure on to put some makeup right here on your clear part and in your closure, and then we're gonna glue it on. Now what you'll see me doing is applying my Erica J lace glue, and this is what the glue I use to lay all of my lace wigs, closures. I just find this glue to be very, very, very good. So yeah, so that's what you'll see me doing is applying my lace glue, and then I'm going to go ahead and lay down the closure. Now I'm just going to be applying that hair glue around the perimeter of the closure to glue it down. Then I'm taking my finger just to press those edges down just to make sure that the closure is secured. Now that we got the closure on, I'm going to go ahead and start gluing in the track. So this is what you see me doing here, just kind of measuring out, and you want to make sure that you are laying the tracks in a U shape. That way the hair can fall toward the face. So I had to run some errands really quick, but I'm back and I am now finishing gluing my tracks in my hair. So that is why the setting looks different. It is now evening time, but yeah, we got to get this head done. It wouldn't be a video if Jimmy didn't make her appearance. So here is my baby. We are taking a love break. I love her so much. Okay, y'all, so this is how the hair came out after I have hot combed, straightened it, and got the part together. I'm going to go ahead and curl it, and yeah. And this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend to come and join the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.